So, hello everyone. Firstly, what I thought would happen, happened. I have become a bit obsessed and it'll probably only last a week. So since doing these trays, I've made a couple, but now I'm like, oh, what else can I spray? What do I have? You know, what's gonna work? And oh gosh, so this has brought me into my kitchen because this is the only place I can think. So I'm thinking, what do you think? That's my IKEA storage for my bits and bobs. That would look really good in copper. So I'm thinking, actually copper kind of goes with the kitchen because it's just a cream kitchen with wood and these beigey tiles. Then I'm thinking, ooh, pen holder. So that's a 10 pence buy from a boot sale. It didn't even come with a lid. Holds the pens. That would look good in copper. Then I'm thinking, these that I made the other day, I could spray the star and the heart copper and then it would all kind of like tie in, right? And then, oh, my Poundland buy, bargain, like 3 bottles, twine, a few hearts, I don't know. You know? Oh, guys, this is an issue. This is a serious issue. My obsession for things gets a little bit out of hand. I'd like a copper house, but I think I'd end up in the newspapers. So I'm gonna go with this. So just to let you all know what this is, it is actually the IKEA Fintorp storage unit. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and wash it, give it a really good wash, nice warm soapy water, rinse it off, make sure it's completely clean before you spray it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I have laid my plastic shower curtain, which is what I use. The camera's really wobbly, but I've laid it out on the table outside, and yeah, so you just need to go ahead with your spray paint again. I'm using the Rustoleum bright copper and short sharp bursts. Okay. Short sharp bursts. Follow the instructions, do it outside, and hopefully we shall get a good result. Oh, loving it already. Oh, I don't know if you can see that really. Oh, the sun is so bright, guys. Just gonna go all the way around and spray. All the way around. All the way around. I'm around the back now, so you can't see me. I'm out of shot, but I feel like you need to get a bit close up on this, to be honest. It doesn't really do it from, doesn't do it justice from a distance. I'm just, yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. I'm not going to worry too much about the bottom because the bottom is probably going to get a little bit dirtier than I need it to. But guys, that's it. I can't wait for it to dry and see what it looks like. I actually am going to go ahead and paint the pen pot, and we'll see what that turns out like. I won't show you that process, it's exactly the same, but yeah, hopefully you'll catch it when it's done. Ah! Okay guys, that is it, end result. Oh, I ended up spraying the inside as well, just because it all leaked in. Had a couple of issues. If you zoom, oh, if you see right in, you can see a couple of drips, but you know, from a distance, it's okay. It's pretty. Okay, I did spray the individual, you can't really see it in this light. I sprayed them copper on the jars and the pen holder. Oh, it's shiny. So I did those, and yeah, that's the end result. So all you have to do is put this back in, which comes inside, place it back in. It's a draining bit, I guess, for any drips. It's just gonna place that back inside and put my bits and bobs back inside. Job done. So I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'm not going to go ahead and just spray the whole house, but that is just to show you how easy it is to transform something. Okay, transform your little bits laying around the house, and don't blame me. Don't anyone blame me if you now go and decide to just grab everything and spray it. My nieces are already demanding that my sister buys them spray paint. Sorry, sis. And yeah, copper is definitely the new cream. Ooh, should I spray this? Just kidding. Thanks for watching. Bye.